Okay, up for auction is an original Rockola 5 jacks machine. I'll go over the whole machine and in detail show you every aspect of it. But first, let's just get a good walk around view of the machine. It is in excellent condition. It has been restored. It's an older restoration, and it is all original except for the lock and key on the back. They are newer, but it comes with an original back door. All the plungers work. Springs work, machine works. What's unique about this machine is it is not a penny machine. They were normally pennies, but they did make a handful of rare nickel machines, and this is a nickel machine. If you put a penny in the slot, it just drops right out the side. It's made for a nickel. Now what we did is we went to the coin store and bought 100 buffalo nickels to make this kind of a period correct machine. And you can see them sitting in there. And I've got some on hand here that I'm going to run through the machine. And what you do is you put the nickel in the coin slot, you hit it with your finger, it bounces off these little nails, and if you're lucky enough, you catch it in one of those catchers, those 5 catchers. Now, whichever catcher you catch it in, you get the corresponding collection of coins dumped into the tray down here. This machine is just absolutely beautiful. The oak is in excellent condition. You can see the I forget what that's called. I think it's tongue and groove construction on the sides. I'll go over the back and the inside of the machine in a minute, but I just want to show you the condition of the outside of the machine. Really beautiful, excellent condition. And this is the single window or the oval window version of the machine. There were 2 different versions of the Rockola 5 jacks where there's one. This one has one big oval window here. The other versions are sectioned off for each compartment, and we call that the 5 window. I don't know which one is more rare, but I do know that the nickel version of the machine is the rarest of them. And we have only ever, in our 44 years of business, come across one other nickel machine. So this is an excellent example of a Rockola 5 jacks machine. The decal is original. It's a little bit torn, but you can still read the majority of it. So now to play the machine, take a nickel. We have these buffalo nickels right here. You put it in the slot, and what you do is you hit it with a little bit of force, and it's going to bounce in here and then bounce down, probably missing one of the catchers. What they would do is they would put extra nails in here and make it kind of more difficult for you to get it in there, and some places may take them out, you know, make it easier to get it in there, depending on what they wanted to do. So I'll hit it in there, and it fell down into the slot right here. So I didn't catch anything, but if you do catch it in one of these little catchers here, you turn the handle back, and it releases that section of it. Now, this thing has a tilt mechanism in it. You can see right in here, that little rod, that if the handle is not turned all the way forward, it won't allow a nickel to go through. I'll show you right now. Hit the nickel in there and it just bounces back. But if you tilt the handle all the way forward, you can hit the nickel in and try and catch it. That's the machine in a nutshell. Now let me put the camera down and I'll show you the back of the machine, show you the inside, and the gameplay from the inside of the machine. That's the back door. Excellent condition, just beautiful condition, original. Like I said, the lock and key are newer, but they work. Machine opens up. There's the inside of the back door. Now I'll put the back door and lean it up against the pad over here, and I'll show you the inside. Now here's a couple portions of the tilt mechanism. Is the handle, which knocks that little bar forward. If you don't have the handle all the way forward, there's also this weight right here. Let me zoom out a little bit. That will stop each of the catchers from being able to catch a coin if it is tilted back or tilted forward. So making it easier for, or harder for people to cheat on the machine. So I'll try it from the inside. You're not going to be able to really see anything, but I'll drop a coin in the outside here and I'll try and bounce it up. It's a little hard left-handed, and and you can hear it drop down into the corresponding catcher. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us. Please check out our other auctions as we're selling similar items, and please check out my YouTube videos where I go over the 5 jacks machine here. Like I said, any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us, and please check out our other auctions as we're selling similar items. This item will be packaged and shipped via FedEx Ground. It will be double boxed and insured, and guaranteed to arrive in the same condition that it leaves our doors. Thank you very much. Oh, and I should mention that the 100 buffalo nickels are included with the machine. You get these buffalo nickels with the machine. That's 100 of them. Thank you very much.